We're doing a box of the new Star Wars 40th for Jose B. Good luck, my friend. This is what I like to call a card-dense product. You get yourself a lot of cards. That is for sure. Turn the music down? Okay, it's pretty low, but I will lower it slightly more. There, it should be lower. Sorry, bro, sorry. I just did what I was told by the supervisor. He is the one who supervised and demanded that I put the music on. I just do what I'm told. I'm a good soldier. I bought a pack of these in Target. You know what I also bought? I bought the Bowman retail 3-packs. And after 2 of them, first of all, I realized the yellow bonus cards are not chrome, they're paper. That was one realization. The second realization was that it was like lighting $10 bills on fire. Alright, I think these green cards are some form of parallel. So that's pretty cool. Put that one off to the side. Alright, this is a buyback. R2-D2 is abducted by Jawas. So it's a buyback from the original cards. It's got some movie posters. Here's a Darth Maul against Obi-Wan. We got some Hebrew posters. That's pretty cool. Oh, we got a blue parallel. Some portrait action. Comic books. Boy, they really went all out. Here's some cartoon action. Japanese stuff. Another green trash compactor. Wow, they got all the movie posters in like every language. That's hardcore. Another blue parallel. Yeah, bro, it's starting to get hot down here, so the track is not the greatest. But in the winter time, bro, it's great. On my birthday, that's what I do every year. We go for, I meet my buddy for lunch on my birthday. We go to the track, 'cause it's January. Oh, there's your auto. It's Admiral Pyatt, Ken Collin, Ken Kali. Admiral Pyatt. Hold on, let me put something over that so you can see. No one can see. I'm gonna tuck it away over here. So awful. So awful. All right, this is where we are. The making of Star Wars. All these were digital cards, actually, guys. When they did the digital stuff. Another blue. Pretty cool. The set of this is probably pretty collectible. Then you can make the green set. We did these, I think. Yeah, these were before the auto. Danny's a horse racing mogul. I skipped a green? You're right, I did, bro. That was me sneakily trying to get that AT-AT for myself. I'm shipping everything, don't worry. It was not intentional. I was not trying to abscond with the AT-AT. Ooh, we got something yellow, I think. Can somebody save me? Save me. I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare out my window. I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through. I feel like a shadow. I just wanna know, am I insane? Insane. I just wanna know, am I insane? Insane. I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare out the window. I just wanna know. Oh, let's see what else we got here. We got another blue. Ooh, look, it's the Darth Vader mask. In the new preview, they show it all like busted up. Another green. This is such a... Oh, wow, you got 2 autos. Jawa auto. The Jawa is Rusty Goaf. Another green cartoon animated one. Is anybody watching the animated Star Wars? It's really awesome. Lego Star Wars. Oh, Vader versus Obi. It's a good thing they didn't make Leia and Luke kiss, because that would have just been kind of nasty after the whole storyline came out. I wonder if they knew they were siblings. Battle of Endor. Oh, this is a free pack on the digital game. There's a world blue I almost dropped. Shadows of the Empire. Purple. Are these numbered? Purple is numbered. Is blue numbered? Blue is not numbered. However, purple is numbered. Luke Skywalker Returns. That's numbered to 100. Rogue One is released. And that's it, man. Let me put this numbered one into a top loader. So these are 1 per box, the purples. Alright, Jose. That's the box, man.